Oh, I recorded this whole thing earlier today and then it turned out to be this warbly mess, so I'm going to start over. This is peanuts and salt, roasted peanuts and salt I got for Walmart. It's like 16 cents an ounce, whereas the regular peanut butter is 20 cents an ounce. So we're just going to try this. I don't know why, after making Thanksgiving dinner and all that jazz, I feel like I need to do this, but it's a quick, easy thing. So let's just try this, all right? So I poured that into my Vitamix and didn't add anything. Again, peanuts and salt, roasted. I let it go at like 7. I tried to turn it up a bit and everything started shaking. My phone fell down. So we just kind of left it on variable. It's also fair to note that my Vitamix that I got, someone was moving out of country, and so I got a decent deal on it. Then I broke the pitcher and had to pick up a new pitcher on that Buy Nothing, local Buy Nothing group. And I'm not sure if the blade matches the pitcher, or I can't remember how exactly. I think I just had the blade and they gave me the pitcher without a blade. Anyway, I think it's a little funky. Like, I think there's something off. So this may go much more smoothly for someone. But all in all, I think this took me about 9 minutes from start to finish. And so, like, I put it in here and it starts out like almost like sand. And then it started to, like, you could see at the bottom, like, oh, that looks kind of like peanut buttery. But then all of a sudden, I had to scrape a lot and kind of start a little bit. But all of a sudden, it started to look like this. And then it took off. It took off. And literally, like, the smell, I feel bad for anybody that's allergic to peanuts because it smelled really good. And I was just like watching it. It was almost mesmerizing. Like, I wanted to be like a mini person. I mean, turn off the blender, but like be a mini person and just dive in there and just swim in the peanut butter. Isn't that beautiful? Like, is that weird? I don't care because I can't, it's like warm. Like, it heats up while you're doing this. And so it actually becomes like warm and, oh, just the smell. Yes. Then after that, this is a 20 ounce mason jar. Well, it goes to 18, then you can tell it's like 2 more ounces. I usually buy like those big Smucker's jars, and I didn't have one. I wanted to put it in that, but I got 20 ounces out of this, and then after that, I filled up a small peanut butter jar too. So regardless of how this turns out, the price per peanut, I guess, is pretty good. But so it's like 28 ounces of peanuts, but oh my gosh, it was so warm and tasty. Oh, so here's a little, I think it's 16 ounce jar for like the Teddy peanut butter jars. This was just a normal peanut butter jar. So that would equal about 28 ounces. That's a good size jar of peanut butter. And it's, like I said, peanuts, salt. That's it. And then, of course, there was some left over in the actual blender pitcher. And I just, like, had some of that with honey. And it was so good. Like, I just didn't put anything in this one. I would like to whip up, like, some peanut butter and honey because, like, that's my jam. I will eat peanut butter and honey off a spoon and wash it down with some milk. I would definitely do this again. I don't know, like, how long it lasts, but I don't know what kind of serial killer stores their peanut butter in the fridge, but we always have ours on the counter, but we go through it so fast, I don't think it matters. And, like, if you put it in the fridge, it's like, doesn't it just break the bread, kind of like butter in the fridge? Anyway, that's a whole other topic, but this was fun. If you have a chance, give it a try. Peace be with you.